Hello everyone, before we start with the tutorial, let me give you a little preview of the website from where you can download the Revit families and blocks and use them in your architectural and interior design projects. All of these family files which you are seeing here are fully parametric, and as I have mentioned here, there are these windows, center tables, doors, and also these folding doors which you can rotate at any given angle. Now a new addition are these sofas. These are not parametric, these are non-parametric families, but each set contains a three-seater sofa, a two-seater sofa, and a single seater, so that you can use them in your you can use them in your interior design projects. And also, if you want to look at the detailed design of these families, and also you want to see what are their dimensions and how the parameters work, then you can go to this tutorials tab and then watch these videos to have a better understanding of the families. And from this shop tab you can buy these products. Now let's move towards our tutorial for today. In this video, I am going to create a fully parametric bed in the furniture template file of Revit. As you can see in the video, you can change the width and the length of the bed, and the design will adjust according to that. You can also change the height of the thickness of the mattress, and you can also change the distance of the mattress from the floor. So this design is fully parametric. And before we start the video, let me remind you to like and share my videos, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any kind of difficulty or query related to Revit, you can ask me anytime. And so now let's start the tutorial. Open a new furniture template file in Revit. In the reference level floor plan, place some reference planes. As you can see in the video, the shortcut key for the reference plane is RP. After placing these 4 reference planes, place these dimensions and make sure to make them equal. Now select this dimension and assign the parameter length to it. This is basically going to be the length of the mattress, and this is going to be the width of the mattress. Let's set the initial dimensions as 6 feet 6 inches for the length and 6 feet for the width. In the Create tab, select the Extrusion command and draw a rectangle like this, and make sure to lock all the 4 sides. Click OK, go to the front elevation and place a reference plane like this. Then place dimension between these 2 reference planes and assign the parameter to this dimension, and this is going to be the height from the floor to the base of the mattress. Now place a one more reference plane like this. Place dimension like this and assign the parameter which is the height of the mattress or the thickness of the mattress. Now select this extrusion, drag this arrow to meet this reference plane, lock it down, and drag this arrow to meet this bottom reference plane and lock it down. Now open this dialog box and let's keep this height as 8 inches and the thickness of the mattress to be 11 or 10.25 inches. In the reference level floor plan, go to the Create tab and select the Void Sweep command, as we need to round the edges of this mattress to give it a softer look. So select this Void Sweep command and set the reference plane to this top surface of the mattress. Sketch the path and make sure to lock all the four sides. Drag the reference plane to move towards here. Then go to the front elevation. Click OK. Then click on Edit Profile and draw the profile for the void sweep like this. Select this profile and mirror it to be placed on the opposite side of the mattress as well, and use the line command to lock this line of the profile with the reference plane. Then click OK, and now you can see the mattress has been created. A parametric mattress has been created and it looks like this. In the reference level floor plan, select the reference plane by RP command and by an offset of 2 inches, place these two reference planes like this and make sure to lock them at 2 inches so that the distance between them always remain 2 inches. Then go to the front elevation and in here place some more reference planes. And first of all, assign this dimension the parameter of the height of the headboard. For now, let's keep this height as 3 feet 6 inches. Now add some more reference planes. As you can see in the video, let's place these 3 reference planes and make sure to make them equal like this. Again, select the reference plane command and give an offset of 1 inches like this. Place dimension between these reference planes and lock them down so that if you change the height of the headboard, the distance between these reference planes should always be 1 inches. Now select the extrusion command and draw the rectangles for the extrusions like this, and make sure when you draw the rectangle, lock all the 4 sides as you can see in the video. If you forget to lock any one side and the lock disappears, then use the align command like this. After completing the profile, click OK, go to the reference level floor plan and drag this arrow to meet this reference plane, lock it down, and drag this arrow to meet this reference plane and lock it down. Go to the 3D and the headboard looks like this, which is also fully parametric. Now in the reference level floor plan, place these 2 reference planes like this and make sure to make them equal. Now again select the reference plane command and at an offset of 2 inches, place 4 more reference planes like this. Make sure to lock these reference planes as you can see in the video. Again select the extrusion command and draw a rectangle like this and lock all the 4 sides. Draw another rectangle like this and lock all the 4 sides. Then go to the front elevation, click OK and drag this arrow to meet this reference plane. And then drag the upper arrow to meet this top reference plane. Make sure to lock these so that if when you change the height of this extrusion can also change. Now in the reference level floor plan at an offset of 4 inches, place 3 more reference planes like this. Place dimensions between these 2 reference planes and lock them at 4 inches as you can see in the video. Then select the extrusion command and draw a rectangle like this. Lock all the four sides. Click OK, go to the front elevation, and we need to change the thickness of in place and the placement of this extrusion. Then for that, draw a reference plane at an offset of 2 inches here, and then select the extrusion. Drag this arrow to meet this reference plane, lock it down, and drag this arrow to meet this reference plane and lock it down. Then go to the 3D, and now we have created the base on which the mattress is placed. There is something wrong. For that, select this extrusion, unlock it, move it here, and then lock it and click OK. Now it appears to be correct. In the reference level floor plan, at an offset of 4 inches, place 4 more reference planes as you can see in the video, and make sure to lock them by using the dimension command. Again, select the extrusion command and draw a rectangle like this. Make sure to lock all the 4 sides, and then at an offset of 2 inches, for the offset to be created in the inner side, add the minus command before placing the entering the dimension. And now lock all these dimensions at 2 inches as you can see in the video. Now click OK and drag this arrow to meet this reference plane, and drag this arrow to meet this reference plane and lock it down. Now go to the 3D, and now you can see that our bed design is complete and it looks like this. To create the side table for this bed, I am going to open a new family template file for furniture. I am going to create the side table in a separate file, so that if you want to use this side table for another bed design, you can use that, or it will also make the family file of bed less complicated. So I have placed these reference planes in the floor plan, and then I have placed these dimensions and assigned the parameters of length and width as you can see in the video. Let's keep the dimensions of length and width as 1 feet and 1 feet 6 inches. Okay, now go to the front elevation, and here I'm going to place some reference planes according to the design of the side table, and let's assign the parameter height, and let's keep the height as 1 feet for now. Now I'm going to place some more reference planes at an offset of 1.5 inches, 1 inches, as you can see here. After placing these reference planes, select the extrusion command and draw the profile for the extrusion as you can see in the video. After drawing the profile, select the align command and align these reference planes with the lines of these profiles as you can see in the video, and make sure to lock all of these lines with the reference planes. After completing this step, click OK, go to the reference level floor plan and drag this arrow to meet this reference plane and the other one with this reference plane, and make sure to lock them as you can see here. Then go to the front elevation and let's add one more reference planes and make sure to lock them at 1 inches as you can see in the video. Now select the void extrusion command, set the reference plane to this surface of the extrusion and draw a rectangle like this. Lock all the four sides. Click OK, go to the reference level floor plan and add a reference plane at a distance of 1 inches from here. Lock it down at 1 inches and then join them with the help of align command like this. Now add 4 more reference planes at an offset of 1 by 8 inches like this and make sure to lock them as you can see in the video. Now select the extrusion command, set the reference plane to this surface and draw a rectangle like this. Make sure to lock all the 4 sides and give an extrusion end value of -1 inches so that this extrusion is done inwards. Now I'm going to open a doorknob, basically a knob, so which I have downloaded from revitcity.com, and I'm going to load this into the project, and in the reference level floor plan I've placed like this. Now use the align command to lock this reference plane with the extrusion of the knob. Now place a reference plane like this in the front elevation and make sure to make it equal so that this reference plane remains in the center. Then select with the help of align command, change the position of the doorknob and lock it with the vertical and the horizontal reference plane as you can see in the video. Now let's change the dimensions of the side table to see if it is working correctly. There appears to be some sort of issues. Go to the front elevation. It is not the dimensions are not working correctly. This is because I have placed two equal equality constraints, one in the front elevation and the other one in the reference level floor plan. So you cannot place two equality constraints on the same side of dimensions. So I have deleted the one in the reference level floor plan and I'm going to keep this one. So now let's change the dimensions to see if it is working correctly. So yes, they appear to be working fine now. Now save the file of this side table and load it into the project. Then go to the reference level floor plan and place the side table using the component command. Okay, so I have placed it like this here. I'm going to place the other one on the other side of the by using the mirror command. Now I'm going to place a reference plane at a distance of 2 inches from here and a distance of 2 inches from here, and lock these so that the side table always remain at a distance of 2 inches from the bed, irrespective of the width of the mattress or the table or the bed. Now I'm going to place the pillows on this bed. I have already uploaded a tutorial on my channel. The link is given below in the description box, from where you can learn how to create this pillow. So I have loaded that file in the project and I have placed them like this, but it is placed on the floor plan at 0 elevation. So select this pillow and by using the move command, place it on the top of the mattress. Now I want that if I change the thickness of the mattress or the height of the bed, the mattress should move along with that. So for that I'm going to create a new parameter, which is going to be the elevation from floor, and in the bracket I'm going to write below so that I know this parameter is for that. And let's place it in the other, and here I'm going to add a formula for this parameter, which is going to be the height of mattress plus height from floor to the base of mattress, which is going to be the overall height of the bed. And select this pillow and assign the parameter here, which is the elevation from floor. So now when you change the thickness of the pillow, its height, it will move along with that and it will always remain on top of the mattress. Now let's place it on the other side of the bed, and by using the align command, align it with these reference planes. And now I'm going to place one more reference plane here, and let's lock it down at 1 feet 3 inches. Select this and lock it down, and then align this reference plane with the pillow and lock it down so that it always remain at this position. Now I want the height of the mattress to match with this height, so for that I am going to give this height the parameter, which is the height from floor to the base of mattress, so that it always match with this height of the bed. So our bed design is complete and it looks like this. It is complete with its side tables and its pillows. Now let's see how the parameters function for this bed. For that, open the parameters dialog box, and here I'm going to create these 5 types of beds, which is the double bed, queen bed, Olympic queen, king, and the California king. So here I'm going to add type 1, which is the double bed, type 2, which is the queen bed, type 3, which is the Olympic queen, type 4, king bed, and type 5, which is the California bed. So first of all, let's change the dimensions of this double bed. So here it is the 75 inches by 54 inches. So here I'm going to add these dimensions in the width of the mattress and the length of the mattress. Click on apply and let's see what this error has occurred. The side tables have not moved along with the bed. So for that, delete this reference plane as well, and then place the dimension between them like this, and select the side table, change the distance as 2 inches, and now lock this dimension. Repeat this step on the other side as well. And now let's see if it is working correctly. Open the parameters dialog box and go to this queen bed type, and now the parameters are working correctly. As you can see, the dimensions for the queen bed is this as 60 inches as the width and 80 inches as the length, and you can see the design of the bed has changed according to those dimensions. So one by one I'm going to change the to add the length and change the length and the width of the mattress to create these 5 types of bed, which are the standards. Now let's see how the height parameters are working. For that, let's change the thickness of the mattress to 8 inches, and you can see the pillows have moved along with that. And now let's change the height of the headboard, and yes, it is working correctly as well. And now let's change the height from floor to the base of the bed, which is going to be, let's say, 10 inches. It is not working correctly. Let's see what the issue is. Go to the front elevation and select this reference plane, change the distance to 2 inches, and I haven't locked the distance, so just lock it, and now it is going to be working correctly. So that's all for today. I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any kind of difficulty, you can ask me anytime. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take care. And most importantly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.